If you scroll for about 7 hours a day, which is the average, you're wasting about 50 years of your life. Now, I know I said 32 years in the title, but that's just because depending on like which calculation you use, the numbers will be different. But let me now prove it to you. So I spend about 10 hours a day in bed, and I think that is very reasonable. And I don't think you really realize how much time you're actually spending in bed. And if you're not even spending 10 hours a day, then the like rest of the hours that you're awake, they're kind of like messed up. So let's just say 10 hours a day. You have 24 hours in a day. 10 hours is spent asleep. That means you're awake for 14 hours. Now, of those 14 hours, where you are awake, there is like hours where you need to shower, you need to commute, you need to like eat, and you need to like socialize. So not really all of the hours you could scroll, but then you still spend 7 hours a day scrolling, which is 50% of the day. I think it's very reasonable that this generation, like Gen Z, is going to live to 100 years old. I think that's very reasonable with the life expectancy going up, with AI, with new technology, new medicine, everything like that. That means that if you're scrolling for 7 hours a day, you're wasting about like 50 years of your life. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Like the first video on this channel, I said 32 years, but it really depends on how much you scroll, how you define things and everything like that. But I think this is reasonable. You're basically spending all your awake hours scrolling. Wasting away, scrolling onto the next video, onto the next video, onto the next video. You're not even giving yourself a chance to think. Maybe make this video the last video that you watch today, and maybe change your life. Maybe switch up the way that you're doing things. Maybe try to stop scrolling at all. Like for the past like 269, 270 days, I quit on the 16th of January this year, and it's the 13th of October right now. I have not scrolled a single time since. I've saved like immense amount of hours, immense like mental clarity. I've actually been able to do deep work now. Every like aspect of my life has just improved since I quit scrolling. And I really want this for you as well. And you can achieve this. And I will actually help you like extra with this if you're willing to. Like if we can just like help each other out, if you can like the video and comment everything like that, like give the video a bit of engagement, that will help me out a ton. And if you then click on the first link in the description and you scroll down on the page, and there should be like a contact me thing there, you will get my personal WhatsApp number. You can send me a text. I can help you out. You're like, oh yeah, bro, but I keep on failing like this. I keep on scrolling, and I can help you with that, bro. That's like my thing. I've helped tens of people, tens of entrepreneurs specifically with this. Like you can, if you click on the first link in the description, you can also see like testimonials and shit like that. Like I'm like pretty fucking good at helping people reduce their screen time. So if you want that, if you actually want to reduce your screen time, you want to fix your life, you don't want to waste like fucking 50 years of your life scrolling, then click on the first link in the description. You can like send me a DM on WhatsApp. Don't be scared to send, bro. I'll like, worst case, I don't answer, but I will answer. So you can do that. You can take some action. You can change your life. And yeah, let me know like how your life is, and I can see if I can help you out. So yeah, click on the first link in the description, take some action, and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.